Welcome to this card tutorial. Keep watching to see a couple different variations of this present design card, which would be perfect for any upcoming event to celebrate, a birthday, etc. The list goes on and on. This card is super versatile and you can easily customize it to suit your personal preferences or perhaps the preferences of the recipient that you would be giving it to. Shown here are the supplies that you'll need to make this card. If you're making the basic color-free and rhinestone-free versions, you of course don't need those supplies, and I'll show you later on in the video where you would add those in. The first step is to draw out the design using your pencil. I've included a link to a free template in the description box below. Once you have all of the presents drawn out in pencil, I took my thin black pen. This is one of my favorite Faber-Castell pens in thickness F, and simply outlined everything. So I was just tracing over all of the pencil lines that I had previously drawn. Once I'd completed that step and had everything outlined in black, I went in with an eraser and just removed some of the remaining pencil lines. And once you've done that, you could simply leave the card just like this for a very simple line version. Or if you want to add in a bit of extra color, you're going to need to switch over to your metallic pens. So I essentially just kind of alternated through my metallic pens and colored in various different sections or parts of each of the presents. And I tried to alternate the three colors, gold, copper, and silver, so that of course they weren't exactly adjacent to one another on the various presents in the design. But you of course can really color everything in however you wish, or perhaps you also choose to use three different colors. That would be a really easy way to customize this design. Once I'd colored everything in with my metallic pens, I went back in with the same black pen and did some touch-ups. I find that sometimes these metallic pens, they go over the black lines a little bit, and I wanted a really clear and crisp outline. So once you've done any touch-ups with your black pen, you could also stop at this stage of the card. So this is also a really beautiful version that is rhinestone free. However, if you want to add in some rhinestones like I did, simply take your rhinestones and place them where you would want them on the card. You can see here where I added mine. I essentially added them to the bow or kind of ribbon accents on the presents, and I used 2 rhinestones per line. So I made sure that 2 of the presents ultimately had a rhinestone accent on them. And then once I was happy with the placement and I laid them all out, I just took a fast drying glue and glued them all on. And once the glue is dry, this rhinestone version of the card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making one of these 3 versions yourself. Thanks so much for watching.